How to remove green screen on TikTok. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon in the middle. This is the TikTok camera screen. Here, you can take photos or videos to post on TikTok. Now tap on an effect on the left side of the capture button. Then, tap on All Effects at the bottom. Here, you can view all the available effects on TikTok. Now, go to your favorite effects to find the green screen effect. Tap on it to use it. If you want to remove it from your favorites, then tap on the Save button as shown to unsave it. Following these steps, you can easily remove green screen on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.